Hi all, welcome to my new class. You can speak English fluently with confidence. Definitely I say, if you are ready to follow these tips, you can speak anything in English very fluently with confidence within 3 months. All we know that the people are always complaining that they can easily write anything in English, they can read anything in English, they understand English, but the problem is that they are not enough confident to speak fluently anything in English. We are always afraid of taking a phone call from an anonymous number. We suspect that it may be some person from North India or some person from abroad who are talking in English. That problem persists on us. How to solve this problem and how to manage this situation with confidence. Today in this class I introduce you certain tips to follow, and if you are ready to follow these tips regularly, sometimes 1 hour may be reserved for this for the next 3 months. I assure you that you can speak anything in English fluently with confidence. Our first tip is read loudly something in English every day. We have to reserve 10 or 15 minutes every day for this exercise. This is a kind of mouth exercise. You simply take some English novel or English newspaper, English poem or drama, whatever it may be, and start to read loudly in your home for 10 minutes or 15 minutes every day. This is a kind of mouth gym. You can see that after 15 days, complicated English words flowing from your mouth very easily. That will definitely increase your fluency. And the second tip is most important. Listen, listen, listen. Try to listen English always. All we know that how we taught to speak, how we learn to speak in our native language. If we are in Malayalis, how we learned to speak in Malayalam. From the childhood, a child listens from his parents or friends or relatives. They were speaking, but at the same time he hear this speaking and he try to imitate. After all, he master in his native language. That is also possible in English. Reserve at least 30 minutes every day for listening anything in English, whatever it may be. First we can start from Indian English. Otherwise the pronunciation may we may get some difficulty for their pronunciation from the UK or American pronunciation. Start with English pronunciation. You can listen some speeches or some movies, some poems, etc. Whatever it may be, you have to reserve at least 30 minutes every day for this purpose. That ultimately lead to fluency with confidence. And the third one is conversational practice. You try a conversation with your parents or your kids or some other person in your home or with your friends. Whenever you see your friends, you start an English conversation with simple words. Suppose you are in your home, you call a child, name him, Raju, come here, take my pen. This type of small sentences can be used to start the conversation. Ultimately or later, it will lead to fluency. And the fourth one is sink in English. Sink in English means drowning in the world of English. Try to live in the world of English. Whatever related to us should be in English, that we decide. Try to read English books. Try to read English newspapers. Try to watch English programs. Try to watch English news channels. Whatever it may be, whenever we get time, we are all talking in English, we are writing in English, we are reading in English. At the time of sleeping, we are listening English music, we are working, then we are hearing, we are listening something in English, some is English comedies, etc. What can be possible? Then we are living in the world of English. That will ultimately create an artificial atmosphere. That will ultimately create an artificial atmosphere of English world. That definitely increase our fluency. The next trick is think, speak and record. Everything should be in English. Start to think in English. When you wake up early in the morning, you want to get some water instead of vellam. You think instead of ഒഴിക്കുക, pouring water into the glass, കുടിക്കുക, drink the water. Think so in English. That will increase your fluency. And after that, you have to collect a lot of small topics from the internet and write down all these topics one by one in your notebook. And each and every day take one topic and try to speak 2 or 3 minutes about it and record it. After that, you have to listen it also. For example, social media is one such a topic. You take today's topic as social media. Think 2 minutes about social media in English, never to translate. Then say something about social media. I definitely say you can say anything about social media. Facebook, WhatsApp, what are the use of it? It is a public platform. We can post anything in Facebook. Such kind of small sentences can be used in the first stage. Then record it and hear it. That will definitely increase your fluency. The last one is very important. Get rid of English grammar. You set aside. Avoid all English grammar you have already learned. Definitely thinking about English grammar will block your fluency. We don't bother about English grammar. It is only a medium for communication. You watch your kids. They are not bothered about their grammar. In our native language, you are talking in Malayalam. You are not bothered about grammar. We are talking many mistakes while talking in Malayalam. Then what about English? The thought of English grammar block our fluency. That is sure. So try to avoid English grammar, unmindful of English grammar. Start your talking to anybody with confidence. Ultimately, that will increase your fluency and confidence. And doing all these steps, I assure you that you are confident. You will be confident enough to speak anything in English with fluency. Then, all my friends, I assure you that if you are ready to follow all these steps for the next 3 months, I assure you that you can speak English very fluently with confidence. We have to reserve 1 hour each day for doing all these tips. Then that will definitely increase our confidence. Because the only problem with us is the lack of confidence. We know something to speak in English, but we are not confident enough. So try this all day and increase your fluency. That will determine your career also. Thank you.